In our increasingly noisy and stressful world, many people are discovering the power of silence. Taking quiet pauses throughout the day can help us to connect with ourselves and others, ease our minds, and boost our well-being. Here are 5 benefits of building quiet time into your daily routine. 1. It helps us live more consciously. Silence can wake us up and help us to notice the things that we might otherwise miss. It can also give us a gentle nudge when something doesn't feel right. By taking the time to be still and quiet, we can become more aware of our thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations. This can lead to more purposeful living and improved decision-making. 2. It can help us to become more mindful and self-compassionate. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Self-compassion is the practice of treating ourselves with kindness and understanding. Even when we make mistakes, silence can be a powerful tool for both of these practices. 3. It can enhance our conversations. When we choose silence, we give others the opportunity to speak and be heard. This can lead to deeper and more meaningful conversations. 4. It's a tool for increased emotional regulation. Silence can give us the space between a feeling and a response. This allows us to choose our response calmly and wisely. 5. It gets better with practice. If you're not used to silence, it may feel uncomfortable at first, but the more you practice, the easier it will become. There are many ways to practice silence, such as taking a few minutes each day to sit in silence, meditating, or spending time in nature. Here are a few tips for incorporating more silence into your daily routine. Start small. Even a few minutes of silence each day can make a difference. Find a quiet place where you won't be interrupted. Turn off your phone and other devices. Focus on your breath and your bodily sensations. Be patient with yourself. It takes time to learn to enjoy silence. If you're struggling to find time for silence, try to replace a noisy activity with a quiet one. For example, instead of watching TV in the evening, try reading a book or taking a walk in nature. You can also try incorporating silence into your existing routine. For example, if you have a long commute, try listening to calming music or silence instead of the radio. Silence is a powerful tool that can help us to improve our physical and mental health, relationships, and overall well-being. Make a commitment to give yourself the gift of silence each day.